Hey guys, how are you? 你好吗? In our previous lecture, we have briefly mentioned how to say I am not, I have, I don't have, and I like, I don't like in Chinese, and something like I like my wig, something like that. Alright, let's use what we have learned, build new things into that sentence structure. So we're going to learn how to say you, your, he, his, she, her, and how to ask questions today. Alright, let's start with you, which is 你 How to say your? 你的 And she, 她 her, 她的 He, it's also pronounced as 他 His is also pronounced as 他的 So he and she are both pronounced as 他 in Chinese, although using different characters. So he, 他 his, 他的 she, 她 her, 她的 Make sure you will take notes because we're going to play with these words a little bit until you feel like, oh, it's kind of confusing, but it's not. Just try to practice a lot because practice makes perfect and repetition will help you improve for sure. Please make sure to take notes because we're going to play with these words a little bit to form sentence and question like, do you like her wig? I like your wig. She doesn't like his wig, something like that. It seems like it doesn't make any sense, but it's a very useful way to help you practice these words. Okay, so let's try to fit what we have learned to the sentence structure from last time. I am Michelle. 我是 Michelle. You are Michael. How to say that? 你是 Michael. 你是 Michael. You're not Mary. 你不是 Mary. 你不是 Mary. She is Mary. 她是 Mary. 她是 Mary. I have a wig. 我有假发. You have a wig. 你有假发. He has a wig. 他有假发. 他有假发. She likes her wig. How to say it? It is 她喜欢她的假发. 她喜欢她的假发. Make sure to check your notes, okay? So, how to say I like your wigs? 我喜欢你的假发. 我喜欢你的假发. How to say she doesn't like my wig. 她不喜欢我的假发. 她不喜欢我的假发. Okay, if you want to ask a question, like, do you like my wig? In Chinese, if you want to form a question, you take out the statement and then ask 吗 in the end of a sentence, which means a question mark. So in order to say, do you like my wig? You just say, you like my wig. 吗? 你喜欢我的假发吗? Do you like her wig? You like her wig 吗? 你喜欢她的假发吗? Does she like my wig? 她喜欢我的假发吗? And you're Michael. 你是 Michael. How to say are you Michael? 你是 Michael 吗? 你是 Michael 吗? Okay, I believe that's enough for today. And one more thing. It's very important to remember new words, sentence structures in Chinese. But if you meet this kind of situation, which you might go to China on a business trip next month or even next week, what are you gonna do if you haven't learned all the Chinese yet? Don't freak out. Check on this video. All you need is simply a vocabulary list. Okay, 谢谢. See you next time.